Hi everyone, this is Ice again. Welcome to another video of mine. This is an unboxing video for this kit, the G Gundam. Okay, this is just a simple unboxing video that I'm putting up right now. I'm actually, if you guys are wondering about this band and this thing, I'm actually at the hospital right now because I was sick the past few weeks. I was coughing nonstop and just thought I'd put up a video since I'm not doing anything much here at the hospital, and it's pretty boring not doing anything, and I'm not the type of person who likes, doing nothing and sitting around with my thumb up my ass. So here's the video. This is the cover art of this kit. Pretty nice. As you can see, this is the kit itself, the mobile suit itself, and this is the artwork of the pilot. And he also has this flaming hands like the mobile suit itself. And on this side, we have the different poses of the kit. You can see these are all the different poses that you can see. Pretty nice. And this end, another picture of the mobile suit. And this part is also another picture of the mobile suit, practically the same. And this part, this is the front shot, this is the back shot of the mobile suit itself, the kit itself after it's built. This is the inner frame, as you can see, and these are different gimmicks that you can get, and plus at the end is the colored figure of the pilot. Now let's open the box. See this red part? Pardon me. This is the cardboard that comes with the kit itself, the box itself. This is cardboard art, and a lot of the MG kits, practically all the MG kits right now don't have these anymore. These are from the classics. These are pretty good actually. You can make a poster out of this, make a flyer, or laminate this and put it in up your wall in your room and everything, so just to decorate them. Next up, we have the manual of the kit. Manual is pretty standard. First page, line art. Second page would be different runners that you can get.
This guy's kind of close. 44 Magnum's got a big bang.
Next would be the building of the right arm, at the back, the building of the left arm, and artwork. Middle part is our artworks and different poses and gimmicks. And this is for the right leg. Another artwork page, left leg, and then we have the torso, the head, and the back part. And finally, the putting together of everything kit, of the kit itself. And this is the back part, it's the back shot of the kit itself. Now, for different runners, this is runner F. Runner F is actually mostly armor and the back fin. And as you can see, there's a screw here. Yep, these are the different screw parts. You're probably wondering what these screw parts are for. These screw parts are actually for the arm of the inner frame and the legs, and also the backpack itself. No, not the backpack, the torso, because you're gonna need these screws to screw them in, so they won't fall off while you're posting the kits and everything. Next part, we have the A runner and the polycaps and the stickers. A runner is basically some white armor, the head, the V-fin, and the glowing hand. Right here, we have the D runner, red parts, feet, shoulder. These are actually highlights for the armor. And the blue parts are also some parts of the hips, skirts, torso, and feet. And probably some shoulders. this is the inner frame part. Okay, this is the, if I'm not mistaken, I can't see it. The G runner. So a bunch of inner frame parts for the feet, arms, torso, and everything. And also additional inner frame parts and an extra V-fin. For the last part, this is the statue, the little statue, the pilot itself. If you're building this kit, I recommend you paint the statue to make it look a lot better and a lot more realistic as compared to just having it look like this. It's pretty bland, nothing much to see. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you found it informational. If you're planning to get this kit, yeah, I recommend it to anyone who's like a big fan of the old classics, or someone who's just trying to get into Gunpla and start doing some solid MG kits. Sorry. So that about wraps up our video right now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be posting up some more video after this. Bear with me because I'm in the hospital right now and I'm kind of sick, but I'm trying to recover as fast as I can, and just hope you enjoyed the video. So up until next video, peace out.